We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT as a home assistant. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, you need to create it by clicking on the sign up button and following the instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT section. You might see different models available, so choose the latest version for the best performance. Now, let's set up some basic commands that you might use around the house. For example, you can make ChatGPT manage your schedule. Simply type, add a meeting with John on Friday at 3 p.m. and ChatGPT will handle that. You can also ask it to set reminders by typing, remind me to water the plants at 7 p.m. It integrates seamlessly with most digital calendars, so make sure to link your calendar app for automatic updates. Another handy feature is controlling smart home devices. If your devices support it, you can say something like, turn off the living room lights or set the thermostat to 72 degrees. For this to work, ensure your smart devices are connected to your network and compatible with voice commands. You can also use ChatGPT for quick info like weather updates by typing, what's the weather like tomorrow? Or for meal planning with, suggest a dinner recipe for tonight. Remember to regularly check for updates on the OpenAI platform, as new features and integrations are added frequently, enhancing your experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.